Winter is just around the corner, and cold weather brings new challenges for drivers. Getting your car winter ready now means fewer breakdowns, safer journeys, and peace of mind when the temperature drops. Welcome to this week's Drive Smart video. Let's go through 5 essential checks to get your car ready for winter. Tip 1. Check your tyres. Cold weather reduces tyre pressure and grip. Ensure tread depth is at least 3mm for better traction on wet or icy roads. Check pressures regularly. Cold temperatures make them drop. If you live in an area with severe winters, consider switching to winter tyres. If you want to learn more about winter tyres, check out the video linked on the screen. It's full of useful info. Quick question for you. What's your number one winter driving essential? Is it checking your tyres, your battery, or maybe keeping that emergency blanket in the boot? Drop your answers in the comments. I read every one, and your ideas might even feature in a future Drive Smart video. Now, let's move on to the next tip. Tip 2. Top up antifreeze and fluids. Winter is tough on your engine and visibility. Make sure coolant has the correct antifreeze mix to prevent freezing. Top up washer fluid with the winter formula to stop it freezing on your windscreen. And keep extra washer fluid in the boot. Tip 3. Inspect your battery. Batteries work harder in cold conditions. If your battery is over 3 years old, get it tested. Check for corrosion around the terminals. A weak battery can leave you stranded on a frosty morning. Tip 4. Keep lights and wipers in top shape. Shorter days means more night driving. Test all exterior lights and replace any faulty bulbs. Replace worn wiper blades to keep visibility clear, and clean lights regularly. Winter dirt builds up quickly. Tip 5. Prepare an emergency kit. Being stuck in cold weather can be dangerous. Carry a scraper, de-icer, torch, blanket, gloves, and snacks. A power bank for your phone can be a lifesaver. Don't forget water and a high-vis vest in case you break down. A little preparation goes a long way when it comes to winter driving. Before the cold really sets in, check your tyres, fluids, battery and lights. Make sure your emergency kit is ready to go. This year, we've shared so many Drive Smart tips to help you keep safe. From checking your tyre pressure to handling snow and ice. If you missed those, you'll find links on the screen and in the description below. Every season brings its own challenges, but safe driving habits never go out of date. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Drive Smart safety videos. When you drive smart, you drive safe.